6 astonishing underwater drones and ROV that you need to see. Hey everybody, welcome to the Finest Tech HD. Make sure to watch until the end because it's one of the most amazing videos I've ever seen. Number 6. Beaky. Beaky can dive into deep water by a customized route and depth from app. The camera will automatically make a recording and you can see the video when Beaky back to the surface. No real-time scenes. During your diving or swimming, you can use the remote control in the water to make Beaky to swim as you wish. Submerge, float upward, direction control, speed adjustment, light on, off, photograph, and V. Portability, built-in charging design, main body and controller. It's easy to master Beaky with the detailed instructions in the manual. Easy to clean up, bionic driving, 4K Ultra HD video, camera stabilizer, underwater. Suspension, 1.12 miles per hour fishtail driven, 196 feet max depth. Please refer to the description for more details. Number 5. Power Dolphin. The PowerVision Power Dolphin, an underwater drone made by PowerVision, who are based in China. PowerVision also produces the PowerRay underwater drone. The PowerVision Power Dolphin can be used for fishing, maritime rescue, and waypoint mapping. Therefore, it is a versatile underwater drone. The Power Dolphin can be equipped with a bait container. Thus, it can bait the user's designated fishing spots for an enhanced remote fishing experience. In addition, the drone can be attached with a tow line so users can drag rescue rings, life jackets, and other relief supplies for maritime rescue. The drone can also be equipped with Power Seeker sonar, thus allowing the drone to automatically scan and draw the underwater topographic maps. Number 4. Revolution ROV. The Revolution ROV features a modular open architectural design that allows for the integration of a variety of sensors required for underwater mapping and inspection. The vehicle can seamlessly deploy in less than a minute. The body of the underwater vehicle is made up of stainless steel and anodized machined aluminum. Its strength is further reinforced with the usage of carbon fiber and buoyancy foam that resists the ingress of water. Windows fitted to the ROV are made up of sapphire and acrylic. The unmanned vehicle is easily portable and can be carried to mission location in a wheeled custom Pelican Air 1650 case. Number 3. Aquabotics Enduro 100. The Aquabotics Enduro 100 has been engineered for dependability and functionality across a wide range of applications. The Endura includes a 100-meter depth rating, 5 precision high-torque motors, depth, temperature, and orientation sensors, 1080p HD tilt camera, 60 meters of neutrally buoyant tether, and 6 pounds of payload capacity. The Aquabotics Endura is the ultimate mini ROV. The Endura has been engineered for dependability and functionality across a wide range of underwater applications. The Endura outperforms other mini ROVs in thrust, dependability, and software performance. The stable platform is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Steady, strong, and straightforward, the Endura is intuitive to use and can be deployed in a variety of settings. 5 high-torque motors, sensor package including depth, temperature, orientation, and leak detection, 1080p True HD camera with tilt, 60 meters of neutrally buoyant tether, depth rating up to 300 meters, 4 pounds of payload capacity, high-intensity LED lighting, 4400 lumens. Number 2. Blue Eye Pro. The Blue Eye Robotics Pioneer is a professional underwater drone made by Blue Eye Robotics, a manufacturer from Norway. A user can operate this tethered underwater drone via a smartphone or tablet, or via the manufacturer's FPV goggles, Movie Mask Premium Blue Eye Edition. Thus, the drone is a remotely operated vehicle. The Pioneer drone also offers auto depth and auto heading features. In addition, drone pilots can take this drone down to an impressive dive depth of 150 meters. Furthermore, the battery time of 2 hours allows for extensive underwater filming opportunities. Pioneer underwater drone features. Headlights. The underwater drone has powerful 3300 lumen LED headlights, thus they provide optimal underwater visibility. Max depth. The 150-meter diving depth allows for footage which is usually hard to achieve. Thrusters. 350-watt rear, 2 side and vertical thrusters power the underwater drone. HD camera. Users can therefore capture HD video footage of 1080p at 30 FPS. Smartphone app. Thus, users can operate the underwater drone via the Blue Eye mobile app, Android or iOS. Number 1. Keel Crab Sail 1. Keel Crab Sail 1 is made with the 4 rules of Italian design. Beautiful to see, easy to use, simple to maintain, lasting in time. Check out Keel Crab Sail 1, the revolutionary underwater drone for the care of your hull. Don't miss the opportunity to embrace a smart and sustainable innovation in hulls maintenance with benefits for boat owner, port manager, and the marine environment. We are enthusiastic to launch our new production of Keel Crab Sail 1 2018 with delivery starting from July. What do you think about the video? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on The Finest Tech HD.